The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bell County and central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Belton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Temple, Belton, Salado, Little River Academy, Rogers, Holland, Belton Lake, Stillhouse Hollow Lake, Sparks, Leedale, Edgeworth, Cyclone, Heidenheimer, Oenaville, Ratibor, Airville, Seaton, Zapsicville, Red Ranger and Oscar. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 284 and 302. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.